Hi guys, in this video let me teach you how can you make ChatGPT read PDF and analyze PDF, and you can really modify your PDF and study that PDF entirely. So with this one you need ChatGPT Plus, and you need to be subscribed to this uh, paid version of ChatGPT. And over to settings and beta here, make sure that you have plugins enabled. And on here on a new chat, make sure on GPT-4 that you go ahead and click on plugins, and just have to go ahead and scroll down until you see plugin store. And on the plugin store, you just have to search for AI PDF or the popular here, the AI or chat with PDF. Or you can also use AI PDF, guys, but I suggest to go ahead and use with chat with PDF. So all you have to do here, guys, is just go ahead and uh, upload your PDF to a site. So for example, you go ahead and go over to your drive, or go ahead here, and all you have to do here, guys, is go ahead and paste that certain link or PDF. For example, let's go ahead here. We use the height held here. You just have to go ahead and paste that here. So you can use anything, guys, not only Drive. So you just have to go ahead and make that link public so that ChatGPT can access that. So once done with that, you just have to go ahead and make sure that chat with PDF is selected. And over here, you just have to go ahead and paste the link. So as you can see, it's now doing the work for you. So here, guys, you just have to wait for a few minutes or a few seconds for this, depending on ChatGPT server. So as you can see, it is now uh, summarizing it for you based on what you want to do with this ChatGPT. And then here, you just have to wait for this to finish, guys. So there, guys. So just have to go ahead and you can also check. But 9 times out of 10, this is correct information from the PDF. And once done with that, you just have to go ahead and uh, paste this one, or you can go ahead and um, use this whatever you can. You can also, guys, ask anything within the PDF. So for example, what are the 5 key takeaways? So as you can see, it is going ahead and providing it for you. And there, guys, so that is basically how you can use this one, read PDF. And there, guys, so that is basically it, guys. So you can also use the other one, which is the um, this one, the AI PDF. And you just have to go ahead and repeat the same process as we did. And there, guys, so Okay guys, that is all for today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.